TMH is the largest manufacturer of diesel engines for railway application in Russia and CIS. Our two plants in Russia have produced more than 4,000 diesel engines since 2010 and keep manufacturing 800 units every year. We offer a fuel-efficient product range for both mainline and shunting locomotives, for diverse types of river and marine vehicles. We also have solutions for small-scale energy generation and nuclear power stations, modular design, diesel, gas, and multi-fuel engines. We provide products resilient to various climate conditions, which have already provided their reliability to our customers in 30 countries all over the world.